Okay, after a short break, I'm back here. Let us start with standard integrals. These integrals I have already given to you. Let us recall them again. Standard integrals. Standard integrals means you have to remember this. You have to apply this in your problem. Number 1. Integration dx by x square plus a square. You know the result is 1 by a tan inverse of x by a plus c. Number 2. This was 1 by 2a mean of mod of x minus a by x plus a plus c. Then number 3. A square minus x square. This was 1 by 2a mean of mod of a plus x by a minus x plus c. Look, the first three have no root over sign. Now the fourth we have under root x square plus a square. This will be mean of mod of x plus root over of x square plus c. Number 5 under root x square minus a square. This will be mean of mod of x plus root over of x square minus a square plus c. And the sixth one is dx by under root a square minus x square. Result is very simple. Sin inverse of x by a plus. Okay. Now we will solve problems based on these 6 formulas and the ideas that already developed through the problem that we have already solved. Number 1. Integration x to the power 4 by x square plus 1 dx. Look, when the integrand is a rational expression, that is of the form px by py, that is a polynomial by another polynomial, then if degree of polynomial px is equal to or more than the denominator, that is qx, then you have to just divide the numerator by the denominator. Okay, so here degree of this polynomial is 4, degree of this polynomial is 2, so you have to just divide x square times, that is x to the power 4 plus x square minus it is minus x square minus 1 times, so minus x square minus 1 plus, so remainder is 1. So look, you can write x to the power 4 by x square plus 1 as, this is quotient, that is x square minus 1 plus 1 by x square plus 1, in this way. Or you can do in this way also. Just write here minus 1 plus 1 by x square plus 1 dx. Now just split this x square plus 1 into x square minus 1 plus 1 by x square plus 1 dx. Then you get, this will be cancelled, so you get x square minus 1 by 1 by x square plus 1 dx. Look, Same expression. Now it is ready to integrate. X square dx integration will be 1/3 x cube. This will be minus 6 and this is tan inverse of x plus c. This is your answer. Next question. Integration x to the power 4 plus 1 by x square plus 1 dx. You can divide it or you can do in this way. X to the power 4 minus 1 plus 2 by x square plus 1 dx. Now just split this. You get x square plus 1 into x square minus 1 plus 2 divided by x square plus 1 dx. This will be x square minus 1 plus 2 by x square plus 1 dx. Here it is 1/3 x cube minus x plus 2 tan inverse x plus. Okay. Next. Number 3. Integration x square minus 1 by x square plus 4 dx. Look, here degrees are equal, both numerator and denominator. Here also you can divide or you can do in this way. X square plus 4 minus 5 by x square plus 4 dx. You get 1 minus 5 by x square plus 4 dx. Now you can write it as dx minus 5 integration dx by x square plus 2 square. Now recall the formula. We have formula dx by x square plus a square. This is 1 by a tan inverse of x by a plus c. So here a is 2. Integration dx is x minus 5 by a is 2 tan inverse of x by 2 plus c. This will be your answer. Next question. Number 4. Integration dx by under root 1 plus 4x square. Dx by under root, let us take 4 common. So you get x square plus 1 by 4. Then you get half dx by under root x square plus half whole square. Now recall the formula. Integration dx by root over of x square plus a square. The formula is e naught mod of x plus root over of x square plus a square plus c. So here a is half. So your answer will be half e naught mod of x plus under root x square plus 1 by 4 plus. This is your answer. Next question, number 5. Integration by under root a square plus b square minus x square. You can write it as dx by under root over of a square plus b square whole square minus x square. Now, because of formula integration dx by under root a square minus x square, this was sin inverse of x by a. Now here in place of a, it is root over of a square plus b square. So your answer will be sin inverse of x by a is root over of a square plus b square. This will be your answer. Next question. Suppose this is plus sign, then what will be your answer? You have to proceed in this one. Integration dx by under root a square plus b square whole square plus x square. Now, because of formula integration dx by root over of x square plus a square, this was mean of mod of x plus under root x square plus x square plus c. So here your a is this. So your answer will be mean of mod of x plus root over of x square plus a square plus b square plus c. Next, let us think the problem in this way. Then what will be your answer? Suppose this is b square x square. Then you have to take common b square. So when it will be outside root over, it will be 1 by b dx under root x square plus a by b whole square. So your answer will be 1 by b ln of mod of x plus root over of x square plus a square b square plus. Okay. Next. Suppose we have this problem. Under root a square minus b square x square. Then b square will be taken out, so you get 1 by b integration dx by under root. This will be a by b whole square minus x square. Now, because of formula dx by under root a square minus x square, this is sin inverse of x by a plus c. So here it will be 1 by b sin inverse of x by a by b plus c. 1 by b sin inverse of dx by a plus c. And the last one of this section. Integration dx by under root 2 minus x whole square plus 1. How we will do this? Look, I can write in this way. This 2 minus x can also be written as x minus 2 whole square plus 1. Now, instead of dx, I can write d of x minus 2, and here it is x minus 2 whole square plus a square. Now recall the formula dz by under root z square plus a square. This will be ln of mod of z plus root to power of z square plus a square plus c. So here your answer will be ln of mod of x minus 2 plus under root x minus 2 whole square plus 1 plus c. Okay. Now let us have a small break. After the break I am coming with more problems. Till then, be there.